At SNT, we think it's time to dispel some misconceptions about inward-opening windows. Inward-opening windows will not impinge on indoor space, as they only tilt by few inches, leaving plenty of space for items on windowsills. And more versatile ventilation, choosing between turn, tilt, and microventilation, helping you avoiding energy loss and saving on bills. They also offer many advantages, like avoiding ugly trickle vents. Another advantage is, there is no need to hire a window cleaner, with easy access to the outside pane. You can choose between internal Venetian blinds, that can be fitted directly onto the sash, or external shading, which prevents UV light from entering the home, and therefore avoids overheating. External shading reflects the sun's rays away from the windows, before they have the chance to pass through the glass. Conventional blinds that are fitted to the internal side of the glass, trap the heat between the blind and the glass, which impacts the internal temperature. Inward-opening windows also allow the use of external balustrades. Almost invisible mosquito netting is also really easy to install with inward-opening windows. Contact us for a showroom appointment.